Hi there, folks. This is Levi Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your Class B and B Plus RV specialist. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com. That's truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. We do not put any pricing on YouTube. However, all of our prices are listed on our website. I will put a direct link to this particular RV in the description below. We are a full-service dealer. We do offer warranty as well as financing. If you have any questions on those, please call my brother Luke in our office at 419-899-2020. For sale today, we have a 2010 Pleasureway Excel TS. All right, folks, I'm going to take you through the inside of this Pleasureway Excel TS. As always, I will start at the front, then make my way towards the rear of the coach. We'll try to get you a few different angles of the inside of this RV so you can get a feel of what it's like to be in here, as well as the overall condition. We have leather front seats, the maple flavored cabinetry all the way throughout. Microwave up top there. Got the fantastic fan in the ceiling. We are a small family-owned and operated dealership. My father started this in 1976. My brother and myself run it mostly now. You will not get any high-pressure sales here. If you want to spend the day touring our RVs, you're more than welcome to. Got some light switches by the entry door here. The main lights in this coach are on dimmers. You can set the mood if you'd like to. We got our control center here. Turn our water pump on. See our levels in our tanks as well as our battery. We've got an Onan 2800 generator. Is only showing 6 hours on that. Switch for our hot water heater. Carbon monoxide detector. Light switch. Corian countertops. Got the cutting board cover on top of the sink, which is a single basin kitchen sink. Fridge down bottom. The refrigerator is 3-way. We run on 12 volt electricity, 110 volt electricity, or propane gas. 2-burner cooktop. Spin around here, just below the microwave, we have a wardrobe. Got the rod up top. This board will act as your shelf to make your bed bigger in the rear. We've got the oval table there. I am missing the original round table. It's typically stored there. I did not get the round table with this unit. There will be no round table. Bathroom. One of the things that sets these apart from the Road Trek that people really like about these Pleasureway Excel TS's is this bathroom. We've got more of a dedicated bathroom than the Road Trek. The Road Trek, you shower in the aisle. Here you've got a confined space. You keep all your water in this closet here. Do all your business in here. You've got more of an actual dedicated bathroom than using the hallway like the Road Treks. Rooftop air conditioning unit. Controls for that are directly on the AC. Leather sofa in the rear. The sofa is power. Hold the button. It runs right down. Makes a nice big bed. You can sleep in it and use it this way if you'd like. Typically, most people, you can either sleep crossways. You can also sleep this way. And as I was saying, the board, what you would use to span this gap, you'd then use these back cushions, put them in here, and you can make a great big huge bed. If it's just one person, the way that it is now is more than enough to suffice. If there's 2 of you and you want a little extra room, you can make it into that bigger bed. Hold the button, the couch runs right back up. Circuit breakers, fuse panel are down there. We have another light switch for the rear, again with the dimmer, if you'd like to set the mood back here. Thermostat for your propane furnace. All right, you'll notice a slight jump in the movie. I had a phone call that I had to take. Again, the thermostat for the propane furnace. Samsung flat screen TV with a DVD player directly over that. All of the leather is in very good shape. Why did the turtle cross the road to get to the Shell station? We have carpet in the back living area here with vinyl through the entry and bath area, kitchen area, as well as carpet again back up towards the front. Propane furnace right there. Stainless backsplash behind the 2-burner cooktop. As I was saying towards the beginning of the video, if you would like to spend a day, an afternoon, a few hours lounging around in this unit to make sure that it feels right and fits right for you, we are more than happy to let you do that. We will gladly follow you around our lot and show you our units if you would like to do so. But if you prefer to not be bothered by us, you are more than welcome to tour everything by yourself and ask questions from us when you are done looking around. Again, a small town, family owned, we're very laid back. We want you to be happy with your purchase. We will fully demo the unit to your content upon purchase. This does come with our 30-day limited warranty. If you have any questions on this one, give us a call at Kuhn Truck and RV, best little RV dealer around since 1976. All right, folks, I'm going to give you the quick little rundown on the outside of this unit. We are just over 20.5 feet from bumper to bumper. We have 4 brand new tires. We have an 11.5 foot awning. This does sit on the Ford E350 chassis. It is the Excel TS floor plan. We have 2 vents for your refrigerator, a vent for your propane furnace, coach battery, a couple of external outlets. Nice big storage compartment on the rear passenger's corner. Got the tow package. Decent sized storage compartment on the rear driver's side corner. Sewer hose storage. Gonna fill our freshwater tank there. Vent and access to our hot water heater. Exterior shower, gasoline tank, city water connection, cable TV connection, black water, gray water dumps, propane tank, and our shore power cord up here. Last but not least, our Onan 2800 generator.